Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to accept a declined friend request on Snapchat. So let's say you declined a friend request by mistake on Snapchat and you want to accept them back. Here's how to do it. Open your Snapchat app. Now click on the add friend button. Here you're going to see all the people that have added you on Snapchat. Now I'm going to use Paul Sunday as an example in this video. I'm going to decline the friend request. Are you sure you want to ignore user? Ignore. Now, if you want to accept a declined friend request, what you have to do is to click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on friend request I have ignored. Click on it. It will take you here and you're going to see Paul Sunday in the list. You can now accept him back. If we go back to our chat, you can see it right here. So that's how you accept a declined friend request on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.